welcome to our Friday spinning wheel. I'm going to spin the wheel 5 times to get 5 winners. Keep an eye on your mailbox next week. These next coming days, I will be sending your prizes in the mail. Our first prize is going to go to Marquis. Let's do our next spin. Our next winner is Cadence. All right, let's give her another spin. Next up we have Maya. 2 more spins to find 2 more winners. We have our buddy Hines here. And our last winner is going to be Anaya. Awesome. So again, guys, keep an eye on your mailbox. I will be putting your prizes in the mail this afternoon. Happy Friday and have a great weekend.